Hey guys, what's up? It's Mirror here, and I'm currently in my office right now. I should probably do a tour of this very soon for you. And I want to talk about a mistake that I did that cost me over $20,000 in over 8 months. It was one mistake, 8 months and $20,000 that I could have saved. And most important, I'm not very worried about the money. I'm actually more worried about the 8 months that I lost and how I could have saved that. And I want to talk to you about that today and how you can basically not do the same mistake so that you can save months and years and move faster with your business. Because to be honest, we all that's the thing we all want. We want to move faster with our business, right? Like, time is the most valuable asset, not money, because if we have infinite time, then we can get money. That's not a problem. So really, I want to take you back to roughly a year ago when I was, creating a new branch of my business. And, I was creating a new branch of my business, and it was an area in my business that I wasn't very experienced within. So I was like, all right, should I get help or should I try to learn it myself and do it myself? And really, what happened was I got into a website that offered help for this kind of, thing that I needed to advance in. And I knew that the help cost $6,000. This guy wanted $6,000 from me for him to help me with this, right? And I went to his website. I almost filled in the survey, but then I clicked it out and I didn't. I was like, fuck it. I can do it myself. Why do I need to hire somebody or pay somebody $6,000 for him to help me with that? So I was like, screw it, I'm not gonna do it. And I didn't. And I went at it on my own, and I tried to do it myself, and I did that for 8 months. I spent over $20,000 making this work, developing this new side of my business, and it was failure upon failure upon failure. I spent months trying to figure it out, and after like the fourth month, I was like, I got to this guy's website again, and I was like, no, I don't need this. Like, what can he teach me that I already don't know, right? Because I had a lot of insight into the industry that I wanted to advance in, but I had never done it before. So I was like, I already know everything. So what can he possibly teach me, right? And I had that mindset, which was very toxic. And I went back to his website, then I didn't, and I continued for 4 more months. And it was just so hard, so draining, and I really literally lost $20,000 and 8 months of time because I thought sorry about the blue screen. I thought I could do it myself. And I hired a bunch of people in the meantime that costed me like $2,000, $3,000 that I thought is gonna, help me get to the level I want, help me with the problems I have. But it ended up with me after 8 months almost quitting. Or I gotta stand up because I get angry a little bit now. Almost quitting after 8 months, 20K negative. I was like, fuck it, I don't wanna do this anymore. I've lost a bunch of money. It's just too hard. And I was like, oh my God, what if that guy that I could have paid $6,000 to in the beginning 8 months ago could have helped me? So you know what I did? I gave it one last ditch effort. I went and I invested that $6,000 with that guy. And you know what happened? Within the first 30 days, I made $23,000 from that venture. 23K the first 30 days I invested with that person. And I had spent 8 months trying to figure it out. I had lost 20K, 20 G's myself. I invest 6K with this guy and I make 20 G's first month. Second month, 15 G's. Third month, 30 G's. All right? So the moral of the story is, if I would have, before I even started, right, invested 6 grand with this guy, I would probably be at over $100,000 per month with that thing right now. But I'm not, because that's my mistake. And I actually made this a principle here. I wrote it down, a principle for my company. And this is something you should be implementing as well, that whenever I want to do something, it doesn't matter if I want to become better at sales or become better at Facebook ads or become better at anything, and I think I know enough, but there's people much, much smarter and much, much more successful than me in that little area I want to advance in. I am not going to think I know enough. I am not going to think that, oh, what can they possibly teach me? I am not going to think that. I actually created a principle out of it. This is my black book. It's my secret book. And the principle states, whenever you want to advance in an area which you think you're good at, but there's people smarter than you, you pay them money to teach you. Okay, that's the principle, and that's going to be the secret sauce for me in 2020. So listen, if I would have invested that 6K with that guy 8 months ago, or now it's like 10 months ago, I would have made over $1 million by now. 100%, 110%. Now, I'm not too mad about that, because one, I learned, and two, now I know I'm not going to make the decision again or mistake again. So really, guys, you need to start think like this. You can't think like, oh, and I'm not saying that because I sell something I think you could buy. Screw that. Don't buy anything from me. I genuinely want you to save time and advance faster with your business. And so, like last week, I want to get better at the sales and acquisition of my company. And I was like, oh, I probably know enough. My closing rate is good. I'm like 40%, 32% closing rate. Industry average is 25. I'm like above, but I need to become better at, objection handling and that stuff. And, and I was like, oh, I don't need it. I was like, oh, I catch myself. Remembered, oh, Miro, there's people smarter than you. Invest now. Invest now. See it as a small loan to yourself. That's going to yield so much back. I paid 6K to the guy. Once I did, I made 20 G's back. So what I did, I went and hired the smartest person I knew within the game of like sales. This guy's worked for really big companies. And I paid him 9K. All right. The deal was for 9K. He's going to teach me. He's going to make me is going to install the right system and the right operational structure for my, sales and acquisition, right? For my closing, for all of that, to when I scale and hire a team. And he's basically going to help me with sales, to keep it very simple. And the only reason I did that is because I remember that time, when I thought I could do it myself, and I spent 20K, I lost 20K, I lost 8 months, and then I ended up even buying the same thing I had watched and thought about buying in the first place. And then I made 20K the first month, and so on and so on and so on. So really, guys, the moral of the story is you need to invest in yourself. And you already know this, but not just invest in yourself for the sake of investing, but actually invest in yourself when there's something you want to do and you want to become better at it, but you're like, oh, there's plenty of it on YouTube, or I could learn for free. No, it's not gonna be as fast. That's what I did for 8 months. I tried to learn for free. I went on YouTube. It works, but hey, do you want to be that guy that spends 3 years or 2 years trying to learn it for free rather than pay 6K? And I made 20 G's back immediately, right? Instant. Okay, I instantly, when I invested that money with that person, I was like, oh my God, I've been doing everything wrong. Literally everything wrong. So it's just such an important principle that I think you need to install in your, as a fundamental belief. And it's a kind of an ego thing, right? As soon as you want to do something, and as soon as you want to learn something, doesn't matter if it's, let's say you want to become better at Facebook ads, or let's say you want to become better at email marketing, or let's say you want to become better at phone closing, or let's say you want to become better at creating the right systems in your agency or in your, I don't know, right? Whatever kind of weird business or cool business model you're in. Go and locate the smartest person, in that, as you know, Google, YouTube, ask people, find the smartest person, and whatever they charge, it doesn't matter if you need to take credit card loans, business loans, I really mean that. It's gonna be worth it. Go and invest with that person, okay? Because it's gonna help you a lot. Now my hand hurts here. Let me change. It's gonna help you a lot. And right now I'm pretty confident with my business. I am gonna, with this venture that I struggled with, we're gonna hit 1 million in my currency, which is 100 grand in sales before 1st of March. So that's roughly 3 months. And the only reason I know we can do that is because I invested in myself with that person that is much smarter than me, and that wouldn't have been possible if I had continued like I was doing, right? So really, you need to install it as a principle for your business and for yourself. Grab a notebook like I have here, and write it down. I can literally write what I wrote here so that you can see it. So what I wrote was, the third principle is do the right investments to get to the goal. And if I need to advance in any area of my business, I must immediately seek out an expert in the field and invest in help. Just look at the dividends from the last time I didn't do that and then I did that. No matter if it takes a hit on short-term revenue, it's worth it. Okay, and that's officially a new principle at Next Generation Marketing and will be a huge pillar to our growth and our secret sauce for 2020. So I literally wrote that down, and I would advise you to do the same. So that's about it for today's video. I'm gonna start talking more about like things that happened to me that I want to share with you that I think can help you with your business. Not only tactical stuff like Facebook ads and funnels and fancy automations. That's all cool, but this is more important, right? This is gonna help you more than any trick I can tell you about Facebook advertising. So that was everything for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. And I post videos like this once a week. And so, yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you thought it was, beneficial to you, and if you learned something new. So hopefully I just saved you $20,000 and over 8 months of time, because there's probably an area you want to become better at. Maybe that's Facebook ads, or maybe that's YouTube ads, or maybe that's scaling your ads. Find the person that's smarter than you and invest into them, because they're gonna help you. So that's everything for today. All right, over and out. I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.